Welcome back to K-Film Photography and Video channel. This is my vlogging series I'm calling. What am I calling the series? Vlogging tips for beginners. Vlogging tips for beginners. It's all about vlogging on this series, and I want to release a few episodes on this one. So the first series, episode 00, what are we calling it? Let me see. Mistake beginner vloggers make. What are we calling this episode? I'm doing the mistake, and that mistake is not looking into the lens. Why is this important? It is important because when you are vlogging, you are intimate. You are one-on-one with your audience in their face. And so it's important then to talk to them as if they are there with you. When you're creating the vlog, obviously, they are not around. And so in order for you to be intimate, like you are looking them into their eye, as it were, it means you need to look straight into the lens. I think is by always imagining them being there with you, like them sitting there with you. Imagine they are on the other end of the camera and you're speaking directly to them, because then that way your words, your gestures will be as if they were there. When they see the vlog, it will be lively because you are there. Yes, mistake beginner bloggers make. You might just learn something if you follow me on this series of vlogging, and maybe it's what you need to start doing your own vlog. Maybe it's what you need to start your own YouTube channel. Welcome to my photography and video channel. My name is Ims. This is K-Film, the photography and video channel. Here I'm sharing my journey on discovering and mastering the art of photography and content creation. The idea is to inspire and support all fellow photographers and content creators. It's not what it was, but what it is. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so.